on my Bitcoin long position. And many are wondering, Rover, how did you manage to take such a sharp entry on the market? And that is what I will be revealing on today's video, because I am using an indicator which is helping me to enhance my trading experience and to become an even better trader myself and to see things that I've actually never seen in the market before. So on today's video, I'm going to give you guys a rundown on this exact indicator. And of course, first of all, I want to be talking with you guys out there. Why do you want to be using an indicator at all if you're trading, if you also can draw lines on the chart? Let me quickly break that down straight away for you. Because you want to be using indicators because the best traders out there in the markets, they only use trading indicators. Because basically what indicators are doing is that they're mapping all the data points from the chart in towards one simple signal, which will help you to identify where the market is exactly going towards. So I am right now going to be breaking down this new indicator I am using, which you could be using yourself as well, because this indicator I have been using will be absolutely shocking your mind. It has multiple functions. It has a trend signal, which is going to tell you something about the bigger trend and where Bitcoin is most likely going to go towards in the coming period in the market, which you can see flashed right here. And ever since that signal flashed here, Bitcoin surged over 5%, and you've got scalping signals, which gave you an entry to long Bitcoin right here and to exit right here. But I will be going way more in depth about all these signals on how it works. But if you want to be carefully reading through it yourself in a very slow pace, I will right now leave a link to the description where you can go to the TradingView page, where you can scroll down and of course find the CryptoC premium indicator. And if you press on that, you will be seeing an exact rundown on how this indicator works, how we've built it, and how you could become as profitable as me using this exact trading indicator. So of course, I will leave a link to that and the CryptoC website where you will learn more about the indicator, or you could right now watch this video and I will tell you exactly on how this indicator works and how you could be using it yourself as well. So if you want to be using this indicator, which gives you extreme accuracy on how to take trades, you need to purchase this indicator first. And how you do that is very simple. You go to cryptoc.com, you press on get started. Once you click so, you straight away sign up an account, you fill in your details, you fill in your email, you fill in your password, you press on sign up. And of course, if you already have an account, you just log in. And then of course, you want to be selecting the premium indicator, which is of course the indicator I just showed you. You press on buy now. It is only 29 euros a month, and 29 euros a month is less than €1 a day. And if you are trading as much as I am, this is literally peanuts for you. It is peanuts for you. So this is of course no money for the amount of money you will be making back from it. You just need to fill in your card details. In this case, I will be blurring it because of course those details are highly confidential. After you fill it in, you just press on buy and it will take like a couple seconds before it's going to get processed, and boom, it is processed. And what you need to do now is fill in your TradingView username. This is a very important step to do, is because if you do not connect your TradingView name, they don't know how to invite you. So make sure to do this properly. It is super simple to do. You just go to your TradingView account. It says Crypto Rover. So this is exactly my name that I need to be using because this is my username. So for me, I go back to the CryptoC website. I type in Crypto Rover because this is my TradingView username. I press on confirm, and then you see the pop-up on top right and you see that it is successfully connected. Now you're in the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can also connect several cryptocurrency exchanges for the smart bot. That is the automated bot that is basically trading for you. That is a different product that CryptoC also has. So if you have not checked it out as well, make sure you go to the CryptoC website to read a little bit more about it, because that product as well is highly valuable and you need to know more about it. And sometimes it takes like a couple while before it gets activated, but it will be done within 24 hours. Usually it's way faster. It's like a couple minutes. Sometimes, especially in weekends, it could potentially take a little bit longer. So whenever you make the purchase, you need to press on the indicator tab. You type in CryptoC and you can straight away see the CryptoC premium indicator. And once you press on that, you will see, boom, you've got the indicator. Now the indicator is fully loaded on your chart. And let me give you guys a quick brief run on how this indicator is set up and used. So If you go to the top left here of your screen, you can see all your indicators you have currently got open. If you double click on it, you will come towards the settings page, and you can change a lot of things in this indicator. You can enable the reversal zone, which is a different part of the indicator I will be explaining later in this video. You can select the trending signals, which are those signals right here in your screen. Or you could deselect them or select them, and you can select the scalping signals, which are these right here in your screen. And I personally will leave them enabled both, because I want to be seeing the maximum trading opportunities in the market. So for now, everything is clear. If you want to be disabling the colors, you can just press on neutral. You can just deselect the dynamic candle color selection. Then you've just got your own candle color selection. But personally, I really like to use these candle colors to make it for me a little bit more clear to see what exactly is happening. Because how it works, we got 3 different candle colors. We've got the white color, which are the candles for the ranging price action. We've got the red candles, which is for the downtrending price action. And we've got the green candles, which is for the uptrending price action. Very important to understand this, because this will definitely enhance our trading experience. So for now, I'm going to quickly disable the scalping signals to make it a little bit more clear for you guys out there. And I'm going to be explaining how the trending signals work. And you can open any chart. So you can open Bitcoin and you can select any time frame you want here. In this case, I'm going to be doing the 1 hour, because this indicator has the highest accuracy on the 1 hour time frame. And you will be seeing these green and red lines here. Those are basically telling us something about the strength of the trend. And of course, if we do break above it, we are most likely starting a new trend towards the upside. And then you see these signals right here. This is a trending long signal. So basically, the indicator is telling you Bitcoin is going to be going higher. And actually from that point, we saw that, of course, we were basically sideways. We didn't have a significant profit. And then boom, we had a significant surge towards the upside. Bitcoin surged over 4.5%. You are in 4.5% profit. And of course, if you're using leverage, you're way much more in profit. You want to be basically using this green box of support on the lower side as your stop loss, because if we are breaking below it, the trend is going to be shifting. And of course, that is your take profits target. And that is your target from, okay, now we want to be going out of here. We also had a signal, and this of course wasn't necessarily a strong one, but I want to straight away tell to everyone out there, the indicator is not always having it 100% right, but 80 to 90% of the times it has got it right. So here as well, we had this long trending signal and Bitcoin went up over 15% towards the upside. Then here as well, we had the long trending signal. It happened on this candle right here. Bitcoin went 10% towards the upside. Then here we had the short trending signal. It happened on this candle. Boom, Bitcoin went over 13% towards the downside. And actually, I can keep going and going, because there have been so much strong accuracy on this indicator. And of course, you only want to be going out of the trade if we break below this range right here. So in this case, of course, we first went lower, but we didn't hit the stop loss. And Bitcoin, of course, still managed to be bouncing towards the upside. Here also, very strong signal. So this is how it works. Here we even have a better one. Bitcoin gave the long signal and boom, Bitcoin surged over 35% within 7 days, and then it signaled the take profit target. So this is very important to understand on how to use this, and there's a super high accuracy on using this exact strategy right here to be taking your trades. And you could be using it on different time frames. You could be using it on the 12-hour time frame, you could be using it on the daily time frame, which is of course obviously not going to give so much signals, but you can see it literally flashed 2 signals in the last 1.5 years. And the first signal, Bitcoin went up over 80%, and then the second signal, Bitcoin went up over 170%. So if you're a real swing trader like I am also, you could be also using this exact indicator to tell you something about whether Bitcoin is going to be creating a big reversal in this market. So important to understand this and important to know how to be exactly using it. Then we also, before I'm going to go in towards the scalping trades, which is a very, very big thing here, because you could be scalping Bitcoin, making loads and loads of profits by using the scalping signals. I'm going to be talking about that in a second. I'm right now going to be selecting the reversal zone, and I'm going to be disabling the trending signals, and I'm going to be enabling the scalping signals. So this is going to give us a complete different rundown of this indicator. It's completely different. It's basically telling us something about whenever Bitcoin is overexhausted and whenever it's oversold. So this is very important to understand on how you can use it. Of course, just like I said earlier in this video, if you want to be learning more exactly on how this works and how you can use this indicator, you can read it specifically on the website website where we see a more brief rundown on how you can use this indicator. So basically, whenever we come in these zones, you want to be opening up a long position. Of course, the deeper we go, the bigger the opportunity is, and especially on the 1 hour time frame, usually we see very strong reactions, like over here, 6% bounce. Here we went in the top side, we went down about 2% bounce towards the downside. Here we went in towards the region, 1% down. Like, we get these insane corrections. Also from the high right here, extremely overexhausted, and then we went down 8%. So very interesting on how you could be using this as well. So since I tried to keep this video not too long, I want to be right now talking about the scalping signals. And if you are a real high frequency trader and you like to trade a lot, this is something for you if you want to be making a lot of money. So this is the CryptoC Premium Indicator scalping signals. It is insane. You can also use it on multiple time frames. Let me, for example, straight away show you what currently is happening. So here we see a scalping long trade, and this, the X, is the take profit target. So here, this is the entry, take profit, about 1.5%. Then here we see a short, take profit, short, take profit, long, take profit, short. This was unfortunately a minor loss, not a big one. Then short, win. Basically, all these signals are so goddamn accurate. It's insane. But of course, let me put this on the 15-minute time frame. We're going to be getting some more signals. And like I said, you can trade this multiple times a day with extreme accuracy. So if you don't really like the trend signals, but you do like a little bit more scalp trading, this is definitely something for you. So here, for example, we flashed the long buy signal, take profit. This was on the 15-minute time frame. This was like 2 hours and you made over 1.5%. Then here, long entry, take profit 0.6%. Long entry, take profit 0.4%. Entry to profit 0.2%. Entry short to profit 0.7%. Then here, this one was crazy. Short entry, boom, 1.2% profit. Then here on the low, long entry, boom, 0.6% profit. Like, the accuracy of this scalping indicator is insane. And I'm not joking that I've said we've been working on this for over 18 months. And there's actually some very interesting price action currently happening on Bitcoin, which of course I want to be talking about, but it isn't for this video. But basically, there are so many opportunities to take loads and loads of trades and loads of profitable trades with this that you need to be checking it out yourself here. It is extremely simple to set up. Go to cryptoc.com where you can learn more about the smart bot. It is all explained on the website. You just press on what you want to be learning more about. So go to cryptoc.com right now to know more about what is happening. But honestly, the product we've built is insane. You need to be checking it out right now here. So thank you so much for watching towards an amazing new update video here on the channel. If you did enjoy the content, don't forget to slap on the like button. Guys, please give this premium indicator a go right now here. It will change your trading experience forever. I'm not messing around. There's been a lot of development going in towards this product and you need to be checking it out. So thanks so much for watching. There are also a lot of free indicators you could be using right now. If you go to TradingView and search on CryptoC, it's massive. Make sure to check it out right now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.